welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I'm doing the Amazon Prime Day haul unboxing. I have a lot of boxes, okay? I bought a lot of things for the new place. If you hear any noise in the background, that is my washing machine. I decided to record this while my daughter is washing, but I want to get these boxes out of the way and packed up. But before I jump into this video, do not forget to subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Hit the notification bell. Without further ado, we're gonna hop right into it. So, different setting in my kitchen because everything was in my living room. So, first things first, I'm gonna open this. Oh, okay, this is the stainless steel squeegee for the shower that I got. Did I need this really? I could have got this from Dollar Tree, but I thought this was so neat, so that's why I got it. So this came directly from the company shipper. This is just some under the cabinet organizers. I got this in black. So yeah, it's a two-tier sliding organizer and storage. I'm debating on if it's going to go in the kitchen or if it's going to go in the master bathroom. This right here is for my MacBook, I can already tell. So this is just a clear little desktop little tier thing so I can sit my iMac. So no, it's not for the MacBook, sorry, for my iMac on my desk. And it's bigger than what I expected it to be. And it's a lot thicker, which I'm cool with that. Okay, let's get this box out of the way. Everything was like delivered in separate boxes. Got things in 2 days. I have one more thing that I'm expecting. It's an air purifier. It doesn't come until tomorrow. I wanted everything to ship together, which they could have just... Okay, this box is a little beat up. I don't even know what this is, but let's find out. Now I know what these are. These are the little succulent little things that I bought to go on my bookshelf. They're very lightweight, not what I really expected, but they're cute. They'll work. They'll do. So this should be my girl stuff box, if I'm not mistaken, because they were shipping together. So this would be like to hold toiletries, and I'm debating on if I'm gonna keep this for myself or give this to Kinley. You could put like sanitary napkins in here, stuff like that. It's cute. Okay, I already know what this is. This is the pillow I bought for Jason because I already have one. So I bought this before Prime was in, for the Prime Day deal. It just so happened to deliver at the same time. But this is what the pillow looks like, and it was 40% off. So I highly recommend. It's very good. Moving along. Okay, this one is kind of heavy. Don't know what's in this one. So I'm gonna keep these in here. Yeah. Oh, I opened it up upside down. My bad. Let me see if I can pull one out. So these are the seasoning jars, and it comes, well, it's supposed to come with labels. So hopefully the labels are in here. Let's open this one. Let's see. Okay, this is for my MacBook, a wireless mouse. Silver mouse. So technically not a part of a necessity for the move, but I needed this. And what is this? Oh, the under the sink organizer. It's the one that you can adjust it. It's a lot of stuff made in China, okay? Yeah, it's the adjustable one. I'm gonna show this picture to you guys so you can see what it looks like. This is what it is. You have to put it together, and I'm not going to put this together until it's time for us to move. Okay, we're getting there, we're getting there. Okay, let's open this little one. It says new mouth something in the accessories. I don't know what this is. Crazy. Oh. Oh. This is for the bathroom. Mouthwash thing. See, girl, I just be ordering stuff. So this is the mouthwash dispenser thingy. Don't know what this is, but it says made in China. Acrylic organizers. Oh yeah, this is for my makeup. I'm gonna keep them boxed up for the move. I'm gonna pull one out so you can see it. I can't remember, but this is what it looks like. The third bedroom, aka my beauty room. I'll box these back up later. Let's see what this is. Okay, now I know what this is. I'm looking crazy. These are large storage bags for like your blankets and comforters and stuff. Like when I switch out bedding, I can just put my, you know, blankets in here. Because I was like, what is this? And then this is a power strip. You know, another little, nothing, you know, extravagant. What is this? This is a soda can dispenser. Oh, but I can't really, you put it, damn, I ain't know how to put this together. I really can't show what it is. I'll insert a picture of what I ordered on the screen so you can get the gist of it, because I'm like, damn, I didn't know I had to put this together. I was not trying to play Marion the Builder this go round. Okay, so I got this tree storage bag. I already opened it up and put my Christmas tree in it for storage, but I did order that from Amazon. I ordered me some more powder puffs. As you can see, I already used one. Had to do my makeup. And then I ordered these Gold Foil laminated Bible, the books of the Bible labels, because child, my pastor, when he giving you the scriptures that he's going to be reading from the Bible, he moves fast and I don't have time to be flipping. So this is what they look like. Definitely needed them. Then last but not least is this hair broom. It looks just like the one off of TikTok, but I didn't want to wait a month to get it in the mail, so I ordered it from Amazon. It smells like rubber. Ugh, I hate that smell. But as long as it do what it, okay, as long as it do what I need it to do, I'm good to go. So this is a pet hair broom, but I feel like it'll work well with removing weave, wig hair, synthetic hair, canicolon hair out of the carpet. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it to use today. And then it comes, oh, I didn't know it come with like a smaller one, which is cool because it's meant for a pet anyway. So that's neat. If I don't use this, I'll give this to my sister because she has a dog. So that was everything that I got during the Amazon Prime days, which was July 16th and the 17th, plus some additional things that I ordered beforehand. If you got anything during Prime Day sales, let me know. Enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.